Bottle Gel, one phase. Nail construction and extension with shape correction. Prepare the natural nail plate, shape, gently buff, clean, and degrease. Apply tape bond and wait approximately 30 seconds. In case of a difficult nail plate, apply primer acid. Cut the nail form and adjust to fit the nail's free edge. Apply the bottle gel onto the nail and the form. Shape the skeleton and cure for 10 seconds. Remove the nail form. Apply a thin layer of gel onto the nail. Do not cure. Add more gel. Create the apex and shape. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe with an alcohol-based liquid. Shape the nail using a 180-240 grit nail file. Buff, clean, and degrease. Finish off your planned design with a hybrid top and cure for 60 seconds. Bottle gel, a new definition of build gel.